I'm a dead man. You're talking to dead man. You know what's crazy? It's just you and me in this fucking room. Are you fucking sure? Clearly, I've been drinking.
Yeah.
And okay. I ran into these cars.
Okay. Do you need medical attention, sir?
No, I do not. Okay. But my life is fucking over.
Okay. All right.
I wouldn't go that far.
I do.
Okay.
You do not need medical attention, correct?
I do not. But as you will see, I am a CDL driver.
Okay.
And like I said, my life's fucking over.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
More than I need to.
Okay. All right, so where were you drinking at? All right, sir, I need you to step out of the vehicle here.
I'm calling lawyer.
Last phonetically, Frank Ocean, George Lincoln Edward, first of Mark, Mary Adam Robert.
All right.
My point
so
is,
turn around for me, sir.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Yes, thank you.
Don't put your hand in your pocket.
Keep it
No,
out of
you
your
doing?
my wallet.
No, drop it. We're gonna go into the scale house here. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna take a test, okay? If you're cooperative with me and you're cool with me, I'll take you out of handcuffs. If not, you're gonna stay in handcuffs the whole time. You understand? Alright, go ahead and take a step out. Alright. I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, you're gonna take a seat on that bench there, okay?
Pardon?
I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, you can take a seat on the bench there. You're okay, you can put your hands down.
No, okay.
What's
This is
this?
for your safety.
Well, you promise you're not gonna hurt me?
I'm promising.
Oh.
So I'm putting my hands on my head.
Okay, well, as long as you say you're not gonna hurt me, like we're good here. If you're worried, you think you're gonna hurt me, I'm just gonna put you back in handcuffs. Or not. If you want to be uncomfortable, that's fine.
You don't know who you're dealing with.
That's true. So are you going to hurt me?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, I trust you.
Alright.
You said you wanted to talk to a lawyer. Do you have one in mind, or?
Do I not? Maybe I'll make it through the night. I don't know.
It is 23:40. Mark, you're gonna make it through the night, alright? This isn't as big a deal as you think it is. It's a mystery.
No. You have no idea. My life's fucking over.
Why do you say that?
You look at my ID. I'm a CDL driver.
Okay.
So basically my life's fucking over. Can't make a living.
Doesn't immediately mean that your life is over, Mark.
It is
People
over.
I'm
done.
I have arrested CDL drivers before who have been able to turn around and make it through.
I'm fucking done.
Do you want to call another lawyer, yes or no?
I'm honestly, what's the matter? Like I said, I'm fucking done.
Alright, we're just gonna...
I'm a dead man. You're talking to dead man.
You're not a dead man, Mark.
Yes, I am a dead man. Well, I'm not making it through the night. What fucking time is it?
It's midnight.
Thank you.
So are you gonna kill yourself, Mark?
Who knows?
Probably the only person would be you.
Yeah,
So,
that's correct. Like I said, I keep telling you, I'm fucking done.
is there somebody I can call for you to talk to?
Fuck no. We're good. You know what's crazy? It's just you and me in this fucking room.
It's just you and me in this room, but this is a
Yes.
police station. There's plenty of
Yes.
troopers here.
Are there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Did you not see me talking to the trooper when we first pulled up?
How many people are here in the room?
Are you trying to make threatening?
Fuck no.
No?
No.
Okay, and why are you saying things like that?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead and stand up. Turn around, face away from me.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yeah, turn around, face away from me right now.
Are you fucking sure?
Boy, 73, I'm fighting with one.
Are you fucking sure?
Give me the air, he's reaching for my gun. Mark, you're gonna get fucking shot!
Yeah. That's what I want. Motherfucker.
Get shot! Mark, get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me, Mark!
I'm not looking to shoot you. You're not going to shoot me.
Fuck. I'm not gonna let you die, Mark. I'm not gonna let you die, Mark. You're gonna be okay, man.
I'm done.
You're gonna be okay, Mark. Look, man, you're not even bleeding that bad. Yeah. Let's get you on your side. Can you breathe a little better?